Yeah, we had a lot of issues at Boston Airport. The old Delta didn't perform. We found out after. Boston's notorious for it. Yeah, the flight was delayed another 3 times and eventually cancelled. So we had a nice overnight stay and then back in the next morning for 5 a.m. So it's the second year we've rented our bike from Metro Milwaukee. Fantastic people, great service, highly recommend them. They got a nice range of second-hand bikes as well, as new. So yeah, check them out. Yeah, they sorted us out with a lovely Roadmaster Limited, lovely colour, and helped me set up my music to pair it up to the bike, and off we went. Decided to take a lot of the back roads over to Madison. Lovely riding. I really love riding in America. It's completely different. That gives you a lot more room, but it's not.
Yeah, but that would be quite good.
Oh,
my gosh,
thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Oh,
Thank you.
oh well, I'm well happy.
Cool, there you go, well.
Give it a good watch before.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Enjoy it. If you need anything while you're here, just let us know, okay?
Yeah, the guys over at Madison, very welcoming. Lovely showroom, some really nice bikes on show. And I managed to do my first trade of the trip. Just popped into the showroom, Madison's Indian Motorcycles. It's a nice little showroom, and we've just been gifted. Started our collection for this year. Obviously, with the flight coming in so late on the next day, it did push us a little bit. We didn't do as many stops as we wanted to, but we did manage to do one more stop after Madison, a lovely rest area. Amazing what you stumble on. Nice little rest area. You're the only ones here. Yeah, taking some nice photos. There's actual military camp here as well. Yeah, amazing area. Got it all to ourselves. Oh, someone's coming in now. It's called Castle Rock. Yeah, the weather conditions weren't the best. We got to the campground, I think around 9 o'clock in the evening. Went up to the check-in. Obviously, no one was around, so we made our way over to our RV. So yeah, that was good getting there, recognising things. The RV off Fractional Toys again, and went for a slightly bigger one this year. Yeah, wanted a bit more comfort. Very nice it was too.